Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on gradient nails. So this is what I want to show you. I know probably a lot of my subscribers already know how to do gradient nails, but for those of you who are new to nail art, I want to show you how to do them. So I'm gonna be using regular polish, and I have this Orly color, which is a beautiful color, and this one is called whoops, right here, sterling silver rose, and just a Wet n Wild white. Okay, so you're gonna need a sponge like this one, or any kind of sponge, just a little piece. And basically what I did, I cut it almost to the size of my nails, and I'm gonna start by showing you how to create gradient nails. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Like I said, I already polished my nails. And let me just go ahead and open this one also. So let me make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I want the bottom to be the white part, so I'm gonna apply some of the pink on the top of the sponge. And depending on the length of your nails, that's how much nail polish you're gonna use. So let's apply some of the white one. Oops. Okay, let me move this out of the way. I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Oops. So basically this sponge is alive. So basically I'm just gonna be doing this, dabbing the sponge on my nails, and you will create a mess on around your cuticle area. That doesn't bother me. I will go ahead and clean that later on with some acetone. And always make sure you do it all over your nail, and make sure you have enough polish on your sponge, because basically if you run out of polish on your sponge, it's not gonna do the gradient effect. So you want to make sure you put enough polish. So you're gonna have to keep adding more and more polish to your sponge. Okay, so let me grab this. I think see, I already grabbed it. I'm gonna hold the sponge with this. Okay, so let's just go ahead and create that gradient. And that looks so pretty. And also make sure you have your base color completely dry before you start applying the gradient on top, because sometimes when you do this, if your base is not completely dry, it's gonna just peel, and you don't want that. So we're gonna sponge this, and I'm gonna redo this part right here because I touch it with my nail. So I think that's good enough. That's good enough for me. So I'm gonna clean my cuticles around with some acetone, and then I will come back to top coat. Now right here I need more white, so basically what you can do, just put a little bit of white, and I'm gonna put it right here just so we can redo this part. See, you can always go back and do this. Just make sure you blend it, dab it, dab. As you guys see, that looks perfect. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean around, top coat, and I'll be back to show you guys the end results. Alright you guys, so this is how my nails look after I clean around my cuticle and also I top coat. So I just wanted to show you guys, and also because I like creating nail art on my channel, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. For those of you who already know, and then I'm sure you guys don't need my help, but for all the new subscribers, all those ladies, they want to learn how to do nail art, this is gonna be very helpful. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye, you guys. Bye. Adios.